Hi, I'm going to show you how to put together this fun thank you card. And you'll see in the video, once the pieces are cut out, you'll wind up with these fun, full silhouette pieces that you can use on another card of your choice. So the main cutout of this butterfly floral card really is the blue background. So I'm going to, and I cut the green, it's a textured paper, so I'm going to put the texture side up. And I'm going to literally take this off of my sticky mat. And I'm going to put it right down with some easy stick tape. And the reason I am doing it right on the mat, because I can 3D the flowers, is because of the centers of where the flowers go. This just makes it really easy when I put the flowers on. I could probably do that. Thanks for something else. So I know that this piece goes right here. And this piece goes right here. I know normally I don't design with the little baby pieces, but I really wanted to keep the integrity of the actual flowers. And again, it's just so easy to see. That the pieces fall in to give the garden shape. Oops, it's a little skinnier. So I'm going to put the flowers on with the pop dots. A little butterfly. So I'm going to put the orange down first. Just a sweet little butterfly card. Nice way to say thank you to somebody. Again, if you lose where it goes, oh, did I put it on backwards? Nope. The shapes fit within the shapes always. So this one goes on top. And I think maybe I'm just going to put this one on with the tape. Yellow on the flat. And I'm going to pop dot this one. Or maybe not. I'm just going to be careful where I put the dots so that when the petal runs over the top here, oh, this way. The long one goes here, that I don't put a pop dot here. And now the yellow goes in the center. And this blue, I could actually use this blue. So this one was cut out of here, even though this one is part of the actual file. Well, maybe I will use the smaller one. I always find that sometimes I can use the pieces for something else. They'll kind of fit in. Now this yellow one pops in here. And I think I'm going to do this one flat as well. But I'm going to use this little one in the center there. Why not, right? I have it. Now the butterfly wings, I'm going to put together with the glue tape, and then I'm going to pop dot the butterfly into position. Nothing like sticking it to the table. Whoopsie. I think for the wings, I'm going to use the zig pen. I control where it goes. And the handy tweezers. So I'm just going to pop dot this into position. Wing 1, wing 2. Fun. Now these little extra pieces, and this is such a fun piece cutout of the cutout that I could actually use this on another card creatively because I have the words and the butterfly. There you have it.